Last time on Dinosaur Clubhouse, Sammy and the caveman froze the dinosaurs in an attempt to take them into the future. Our heroes raced into action, and with a lot of hard work, and I do mean a lot of hard work, were able to save the dinosaurs and foil the cavemen's plan. Who are the cavemen meeting? What are they up to? This and much more, this time on Dinosaur Clubhouse.
Okay, fellas, playtime's over. I'm tired of those Dinosaur Clubhouse boys, you see, so I called in the big guns, the big chief, the witch doctor. I didn't want to have to take it this far, but it's time we step up our game. Okay, there he is. Hey, witch doctor, over here.
Hey, fellas, you called?
Hey, Doc.
Hey. Witch doctor, the reason we called you here is we want you to make the Dinonado.
The Dinonado has not been spoke of in many moons. How do you know of such power?
Research, Doc. We got big dreams, you see. We need big power. If we're going to take over the world, we're going to need to show them that we mean business.
I say Dinonado too much power. Last chief that made Dinonado went crazy.
You're on our side, and don't forget it.
I not forget. I just warn of its power. Okay. Hold hands as I start to make the Dinonado. Wind blow high and wind blow low. Dinonado, here we go.
Hey, what's happening?
Look, it's starting to work.
Hooga, 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 hooga. Lightning, thunder, hear my call. Dinonado, take them all. T-Rex. Hooga, 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 hooga. Lightning, thunder, hear my call. Dinonado, take them all. Carnotaurus, Allosaurus, Brachiosaurus, Triceratops, Raptors. Hooga, 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 hooga. Lightning, thunder, hear my call. Dinonado, take them all.
Good job, witch doctor. Now take the Dinonado to the edge of town. I'm going to call the mayor. Okay, let's go call the mayor. Those kids from Dinosaur Clubhouse are going to be in for a big surprise.
What? What? Uh-oh, a phone. Oh, thank you, James. It's the mayor. Oh, it's the mayor calling. Hey, Mayor, what's going on?
Oh, the dinosaurs have there's a big Dinonado out there.
A big Dinonado?
Yeah.
What's a Dinonado?
Oh, that's out there. I don't know, it's a big tornado made of dinosaurs.
Don't worry, Okay, James, you should now shoot the Dinonado, but maybe Spike will know what to do. Spike, how do you kill a Dinonado?
You have to go down to the swamp and talk to the old sage.
Old stage? Okay, I'll be there in a minute. Wait, where's the swamp?
It's right past the park.
Oh, okay. Recognize that Mosasaurus. That's Mosey. Hey, Mosey. Hey, T-Bone, what are you doing here?
I just came down here to get a drink.
Have you seen the Great Sage?
Well, Spike calls me the Great Sage.
Oh, do you know how to defeat the Dinonado then?
I do. You have to take it back where you got it, and then knock the head off the witch doctor that made it.
Okay. You go tell James to get ready. I'll go find the Dinonado. Hey, caveman, you want a piece of me?
We sure do. Get 'em, boys. Dinonado will be here any minute.
Hooray! He's ready. Because the Dinonado's almost here. Oh, thanks, James.
Quick, get that little one.
I am hungry.
Ah, we got you now.
Yeah.
Ah, it's a trap. Run!
Miss Dinonado. I got him. Now let's pull his mask off.
Are our heroes okay? What will the caveman do next? This and much more next time on Dinosaur Clubhouse.